Hi, I'm Marvin Montgomery, checking in from Houston, Texas. This is about Coach with Coco and all of the greatness that's involved with that. Uh, I was involved in the 21-day cleanse. I needed a something to, take my mind away from the normal day-to-day, garbage that we're putting into our bodies and try and cleanse that. And I took her 21-day cleanse as that challenge to challenge my dedication of myself and my mind and body and focus that on something positive. She had an awesome plan set for us to follow. I saw it very easy to, follow along and work through those obstacles, especially those first couple of days, man. It's really hard to stick to it, and having that message group and everyone posting their day-to-day challenges and to let you know that you're not alone in your struggles, and we all have that, and we fight and we push through it, and you stick to what we learn is there is a tomorrow. Even if you mess up, guess what? Pick up your feet, go on to the next day, and keep on moving forward and correct it from then on, and you learn from that. Um, I was actually able to lose 10 pounds during the cleanse, which I saw as a great challenge and a great accomplishment, and it remains off, and I will be doing it again, and I do recommend Coach with Coco. Thanks.